Hi there. In this video, I'll let you guys know what if you never received Cash App Cash Card. If you haven't received your Cash App Cash Card within 15 business days being marked as shipped in the app, you can contact Cash App support to report it, or Cash App will then deactivate the original card and ship you a replacement. Likewise, what you could do is to contact support. You want to open the profile icon or open up the Cash App, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. Next, you simply want to scroll down and then you could find the support section. As you click on support, you want to then click or locate for the option that haven't received the Cash App. Then tap on report card now and follow the on-screen instructions. And by reporting the missing card, Cash App can help you to get a replacement so that you could continue using Cash App balance. So this is how you could fix. So this is the alternative way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.